Imagine this. You're sitting in your driveway, keys in hand, ready to embark on your daily commute. As you settle into the driver's seat and start the engine, a wave of excitement washes over you, not from the roar of a powerful motor, but from the anticipation of witnessing a groundbreaking innovation that is about to reshape the entire automotive landscape. Get ready to experience a journey like never before, as the upcoming revolution in the EV industry is poised to leave you spellbound. Greetings, engine enthusiasts! The automotive world has witnessed a remarkable shift towards electrically powered engines, revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. But amidst this electrifying transformation, heavy machinery manufacturers like JCB faced a unique challenge: how to power massive equipment while maintaining efficiency and sustainability. Hold on tight as we take you on an electrifying journey here in Car Computer Exchange to explore JCB's groundbreaking solution that shocked the EV industry to its core: hydrogen-powered engines. When it comes to heavy machinery, power is king. But in an era where environmental consciousness is taking center stage, traditional electric engines face some limitations. Sure, they were environmentally friendly, but could they deliver the raw power required by giants like JCB? It was a real conundrum, a tug of war between power and eco-friendliness that had the industry scratching its head. JCB, renowned for their heavy machinery prowess, found themselves in a peculiar position. They needed a solution that would allow them to maintain their legendary power while keeping emissions in check. Sacrificing power for the sake of the environment just didn't sit right with them, and thus, the quest for a peculiar solution began. In pursuit of a game-changing answer, JCB made a daring decision: to delve into the world of hydrogen-powered engines. This bold move set them on a path of innovation and revolution. With relentless dedication, they embarked on a journey to harness the untapped potential of hydrogen as a fuel source. Through years of research and development, JCB has made astonishing progress in the realm of hydrogen engine technology. Their unwavering commitment to championing this alternative power source paid off in ways no one could have anticipated. Breakthrough after breakthrough, JCB was inching closer to a solution that would redefine the possibilities for heavy machinery. Now, let's take a closer look at the marvel that is JCB's hydrogen engine. How does it compare to the tried and true diesel engines we're familiar with? Well, it's like comparing apples and oranges, except these apples are juiced up with an extra dose of power and eco-friendliness. At first glance, the hydrogen engine may bear some similarities to its diesel counterpart, but under the hood, it's a whole new world. The driver experience is seamless, with smooth acceleration and near-silent operation. But don't let that fool you. This baby packs a punch. With impressive efficiency, power, and torque, the hydrogen engine stands toe-to-toe with diesel engines, proving that power and environmentally friendliness can coexist. The benefits of the hydrogen engine extend far beyond performance. It boasts cleaner emissions, leaving a smaller carbon footprint and the breath of fresh air for our planet. Plus, the use of hydrogen as a fuel source opens up a realm of possibilities, with the potential for renewable production and a future where heavy machinery can operate without relying on fossil fuels. JCB's hydrogen-powered engines are not just a solution. They are a statement. They showcase the marriage of power and environmental consciousness, proving that we don't have to choose one over the other. So, buckle up and get ready for a ride into the future, where JCB's engines electrify the industry and leave a trail of innovation in their wake. Now that we've explored JCB's journey to hydrogen-powered engines and the remarkable benefits they offer, let me ask you this. Can you imagine a future where heavy machinery operates with the same power we know and love while leaving behind a smaller carbon footprint? Think about it for a moment. How do you envision the impact of hydrogen-powered engines on the construction and infrastructure industries? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this electrifying conversation together. Now, let's dive into the fascinating inner workings of JCB's hydrogen engine, which left the automotive industry buzzing with excitement. Prepare to be electrified by the ingenuity behind this revolutionary technology. To power their heavy machinery, JCB waved goodbye to traditional diesel injectors and welcomed hydrogen injectors with open arms. Paired with a spark plug, this dynamic duo creates a combustion process like no other. By achieving a perfect mixture of hydrogen and air, these engines ignite with a burst of energy that will leave you in awe. But it's not just about the power. JCB's hydrogen engine is a superhero when it comes to emission reduction. Say goodbye to those noxious fumes. With zero CO2 emissions and the production of dry steam, this engine is a breath of fresh air for both the environment and their conscience. Advantages of hydrogen engines over diesel engines. The H2 hero emerges. Move over diesel engines because the hydrogen-powered revolution is here to stay. JCB's hydrogen engine brings a host of advantages that'll make you wonder why you haven't hopped on the hydrogen bandwagon sooner. First up, we have the star feature, zero CO2 emissions. That's right, folks. With hydrogen engines, you can bid farewell to your carbon footprint and embrace a cleaner, greener future. Not to mention, their production of dry steam adds a touch of eco-friendliness to the mix. But that's not all. Hydrogen engines offer minimal adaptation for drivers, ensuring a similar operating experience to their diesel counterparts. No need for a superhero cape here. Just hop in and get ready for a smooth ride. Let's talk economics. Hydrogen engines bring tremendous value in terms of cost efficiency and space optimization, unlike their battery-powered electric counterparts. With hydrogen, you get the best of both worlds, clean energy and practicality. Overcoming challenges. Hydrogen fuel availability. The quest for the H2 oasis. The challenge of hydrogen fuel availability. It's no secret that the scarcity of hydrogen fuel has been a roadblock on the path to widespread adoption. But fear not, fellow adventurers, for the tides are turning. Around the world, significant progress is being made in hydrogen fuel production. The scientific community, governments, and forward-thinking companies are collaborating to push the boundaries of hydrogen technology. Together, they are working towards a future where hydrogen fuel is as accessible as your favorite roadside diner. JCB is at the forefront of this hydrogen-powered revolution. With their unwavering commitment to a hydrogen-dominated future, they're paving the way for a world where heavy machinery hums with the clean energy of the H2 molecule. So, fasten your seatbelts and join JCB on this exciting journey towards a brighter, hydrogen-powered tomorrow. The road ahead looks electrifying. So there you have it, the electrifying story of JCB's hydrogen engine that has shocked the EV industry to its core. Are you ready to be a part of this revolutionary movement towards cleaner, more sustainable transportation? If you want to stay in the fast lane of automotive innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Car Computer Exchange, you'll be the first to witness the latest breakthroughs, insightful discussions, and exciting updates in the world of hydrogen-powered engines. Together, we can drive towards a future where our engines run cleaner, our roads greener, and our impact on the planet is lighter. Don't miss out on the electrifying content coming your way. Subscribe now and join us on this thrilling ride towards a hydrogen-powered revolution. Stay charged, stay tuned.